How many people here eat apples, potatoes, cherries, or blueberries? Well, what if I told you that all of those fruits and vegetables were contaminated with pesticides, and washing them or peeling them can't eliminate all the pesticides and they could kill you? Well, according to a PDF file taken off the University of Berkeley website, all of those fruits and vegetables are contaminated with pesticides, and they could potentially kill you. According to my class survey results, 60% of the class was concerned with the long-term risk of the fruits and vegetables that they ate. And 30% of the class ate organic food less than twice per week. This means that the class could be potentially exposing themselves to pesticides which could potentially kill them. Okay. In my speech, I will be persuading the class on the potential health risks that they could face when exposing themselves to eating foods grown in conventional farming, and I will be convincing the class to eat more foods grown organically so they could better their health. First off, conventionally grown foods are causing a lot of negative health effects which should potentially damage everyone here's health. According to an article from Dr. Michael Alevnia, Pesticide Use and Exposure Extensive Worldwide, there are 5.6 billion pounds of pesticides used globally. These pesticides have a lot of negative health effects which could potentially affect your health now or in the near future. Some of these pesticides are linked to diseases like cancer, and these pesticides are used extensively. Not only that, these pesticides can also cause adverse mental health problems, such as Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. As a solution, I suppose that everyone should switch their diet to organic farming, because switching your diet to an organic food can improve your health. According to an article taken off the Johns Hopkins University website, new evidence confirms the nutritional superiority of organic foods. They found that organic foods were 61% richer in nutrients, and because fruits and vegetables weren't sprayed with agrochemicals, then the fruits and vegetables developed more of the naturally occurring plant chemicals, which are antioxidants that protect your health. Likewise, in Maria Rodell's book, Organic Manifesto, she stated that Dr. Paul Heberle of the Rodell Institute stated that conventional farming was also killing the mycorrhizal fungi in the soil, which also was destroying the world's air, because the mycorrhizal fungi actually store the carbon monoxide and dioxide out of the Earth's air, and they take it into the soil so that the plants can take in the carbon monoxide and dioxide and breathe more oxygen into the air and a richer air. So, in summary, we have learned that there are a lot of negative health effects such as cancer and psychological disorders which can be developed from eating food that was grown conventionally. And we have also learned that switching your diet to an organic food diet can limit your exposure to pesticides. Let's see. Okay, so in conclusion, we have learned that conventional farming is negatively affecting your health, and we don't know how these chemicals are going to affect our health in the near future, than years ahead that lay ahead for us. And with all the new chemicals that are introduced into the market, we don't know what the future outcomes are going to be. I'd like to leave you with a quote from Anne Wigmore. The food that you eat can either be the safest, the most powerful form of medicine, or the slowest form of poison.